job.
We cannot begin to articulate how very much we appreciate all your help. You are a wonderful component of our entire team, and you are invaluable to the success we have. So I wish I could be there to see you in person, maybe sometime. In the meantime, treat Nina right, and I hope to hear great things.
Hey Local Splash Costa Rica, we really appreciate all you do, and from all of us here in California, thank you so much and keep up the great work.
Hola Costa Rica, gracias por todo que hacen.
Hi Costa Rica, hi Richard, hi Grace. We miss you guys up here. In fact, don't bother coming up here. We'll go visit you again. And Nina won't be the only one going down there, so see you soon.
Hey Costa Rica, thanks for all you do. Keep up the good work.
Hello Costa Rica, I'm EJ, the IT manager. I also help out with your 5-9, so you're the one that you always ask for me when you're trying to get back into your dialer. Anyways, behind me we have the Tree of Awesomeness. We gotta get your pictures up there at some point. I think that'd be fun. Anyways, hi!
Hey Costa Rica, thanks for all the hard work.
Costa Rica, keep up the good work.
Hi.
Hey Costa Rica, we're really glad that you're supporting us, and we look forward to doing more and more with the folks down there. I know Ninad is down there right now, I think, meeting with you. So anyway, we're just excited to have you being part of the Local Splash family.
Round of applause for the Costa Rica team. Yeah!